Welcome to our video tutorial on how to insert a Pinlock lens. First, remove the Pinlock lens from the packaging. Make sure your visor is clean and free from any dust particles. Making use of the Pinlock pins on the visor, slide the Pinlock lens into position with the yellow film facing towards you. Insert the Pinlock lens, ensuring that the clear silicone gasket fits firmly onto the inside of the visor. The last step is to remove the yellow film from the Pinlock lens. Thank you for watching our video.